Good evening, friends. Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 19, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams. First question: which sports association has newly created Kareem Abdul Social Justice Champion Award? Answer: NBA, National Basketball Association. The NBA announced Thursday the creation of a new award, Kareem Abdul Jaffer Social Justice Champion Award, to recognize players who are making strides in the fight for social justice. The National Basketball Association is a professional basketball league in North America. The league is composed of 30 teams and in one of the four major professional sports leagues in the United Nations and Canada. It is the premier men's professional basket league in the world. Its headquarters is in New York. More about Kareem Abdul Jabbar. He is an American former professional basketball player who played 20 seasons in NBA for the Milwaukee Bucks and Los Angeles Lakers. He was born on 1947 April 17 in New York. Second question: which country has banned foreign curriculum and ownership in private schools? Answer: China. China's State Council has announced tough new curbs on school curricula and ownership of private schools, the latest in a series of measures intended to tighten control of the country's fastest growing education sector. Capital of China is Beijing. Currency is renminbi. China was formed on 1949. Which country has developed its most powerful supercomputer named Simorgh? Answer: Iran. On Sunday, Iran unveiled the Simorgh supercomputer, which, as its full configuration, will provide 1 petaflops of performance, according to state-run news outlet IRNA. It was developed in Tehran's Amir Kabir University of Technology. Capital of Iran is Tehran. Its currency is Iranian rial. Language spoken in Iran is Persian. More points. Fugaku is the Japan's supercomputer that has been developed as a core system for the innovative high-performance computing infrastructure promoted by Japan's Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science and Technology. Param 8000 is the first series of supercomputer in India, which was launched in 1991. Headquarters of Amir Kabir University of Technology is in Tehran. Next question: which IIT has developed a portable eco-friendly cremation cart? Answer: IIT Ropar. IIT Ropar has developed a portable eco-friendly electric cremation system. It is one kind of technology that produces no smoke despite using wood for cremation. It is based on a wick stove technology. More points. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the country's first 3D printed house at IIT Madras, convinced by former alumni and built in just 5 days, and said the nation needs more such young minds who send positivity and showcase India's abilities to the world. Amid the growing requirements of ventilators and oxygen across the country during the coronavirus pandemic, students and faculty of Indian Institute of Technology Bombay have designed a new device to reduce oxygen wastage and reuse exhaled oxygen. What is the theme of United Nations Global Road Safety Week, which will start from May 17? Answer: Street for Life, Love 30. The theme for 6th UNGRSW to be held 17 to 23 May 2021 is Street for Life, Love 30, calling for 30 km per hour default speed limits where people and vehicle mix. More points. The 6th UN Global Safety Week runs from 17 to 23 May 2021 with hundreds of activities planned and hosted by the government ministries, UN agencies, civil society organizations, and private companies. As we recover and rebuild from COVID-19, let's make a safer road for safer world. Sixth question. Who has been topped the Forbes highest paid athlete list 2021? Answer: Conor McGregor. This year, MMA fighter Conor McGregor tops the list with US $180 million in total earnings, edging past two football legends Lionel Messi second and Cristiano Ronaldo third, who have been topping the chart consistently in the past few years. More points. Three other athletes also surpassed 100 million in total earning this year: soccer star Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo, and NFL quarterback Dak Prescott. This is Ronaldo, this is Messi, and this is Dak Prescott. Who has been appointed as the head of Suzuki Motorcycle India? Answer: Satoshi Uchida. Suzuki Motorcycle India Private Limited announced the appointment of Satoshi Uchida as the new company head. As a part of CMC's global revamp, Satoshi Uchida succeeded Koichiro Hirao with effect from 1st May 2021. Eighth question. Who has been appointed as the elected president of Tibetan exile government? Answer: Penpat Sering. The former speaker of Tibet's parliament in exile, Penpat Sering, has been elected as the new president of exile government. Nearly 64,000 Tibetans living in the exile in India, Nepal, North America, Europe, Australia, and elsewhere voted in the election, which was held in two rounds in January and April. Tibet. This is situated in Asia. Capital of Tibet in Lhasa. Currency used in Tibet is same as China's currency, renminbi. Language is Tibetan. Tibet, on the lofty Tibetan plateau on the northern side of Himalayas, is an autonomous region of China. This is Tibet, and this is the capital Lhasa. Ninth question. Which team has won the UEFA Women's Champions League 2020-2021? Answer: Barcelona. Barcelona won their first title by beating Chelsea in the final, becoming the first club to have won the both men's and women's Champions League titles. 10th question. Which state's CM has launched COVID Fateh campaign recently? Answer: Punjab. Punjab Chief Minister Amarinder Singh Sunday launched what he described as COVID Fateh drive to tackle the spreads of COVID-19 in rural areas of the state. More points. Captain Amarinder Singh is an Indian politician, military historian, author, former royal and former veteran serving as the 15th and current Chief Minister of Punjab. He was born on 10 March 1942. Capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Language spoken in Punjab is Punjabi. Eleventh question. Recently, which state has launched virtual schools to impart online education? Answer: Chhattisgarh. The Chhattisgarh government has launched the virtual under open school of the Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education. The National Information Center NIC has developed a portal for the state government, and students will soon be able to take admission and get the school syllabus online. More points. Bhupesh Bagal is an Indian politician serving as the third and current Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh. He was the president of Chhattisgarh Pradesh Congress. He was born on 23 August 1961. 12th question. What is the new name of Go Air airline which was changed recently? Answer. Go First. Go Air made a splash yesterday when it put out ads in major newspaper announcing its new name Go First. Major airports of India. Indira Gandhi International Airport, it is situated in New Delhi. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad. Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Mumbai. Subhash Chandra Bose Airport, Kolkata. Chennai International Airport, Chennai. Cochin International Airport in Kochi. 13th question. Baljit Kaur and Gunbala Sharma became the first woman to climb which mountain? Answer. Mount Pumori. Baljit Kaur, Gumbala Sharma became the first woman mountaineers to summit Mount Pumori amid COVID-19. Women mountaineers Baljit Kaur from Himachal Pradesh and Gunbala Sharma from Rajasthan became the first Indian woman to summit Mount Pumori, 7,161 meters in Nepal. Mount Pumori. It is situated in Nepal and China's border. Pumori is a mountain on the Nepal-China border in Mahananggur section of Himalayas. Fourteenth question. Name the app launched by Bihar Chief Minister for tracking COVID-19 patients. Answer. HIT app. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar on Monday launched an exclusive mobile app to ensure regular monitoring and tracking of all those COVID-19 patients who are in home isolation across the state. Nitish Kumar is an Indian politician who is serving 22nd Chief Minister of Bihar, a state in India, since 2015, and he has served in the role of 5 previous occasions. He has also served as an Union Minister in Union Government of India. Nitish Kumar is a member of Janata Dal political party. 15th question. Which company is constructing the largest international submarine cable system with India as sender? Answer. Reliance Jio Infocom. Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, India leading 4G and mobile broadband digital service provider, is constructing an international submarine cable system to connect the countries both to east and west. The Indian Asia Express system will connect India eastbound to Singapore and beyond, while India Europe Express system will connect India westbound to Middle East and Europe. These are expected to meet the demand for data across the region. IAX is accepted to be ready for service in mid 2023, while IEX will be ready for service in early 2024. Founder of Jio is Mukesh Ambani. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.